Hello everyone, this is Sahil Munshi from Team The Backbenchers. From today, we will start a series about object-oriented programming in Python, where we will learn from the basic concepts to the advanced concept of OOPs. In this episode, the topic is Introduction to Object-Oriented Programming. Our goals for today are Introduction, 4 pillars of OOPs, what is class and its example, what is object and its example. So let us see what is OOPs. The style of programming where we create a template and create copies from the template is called object-oriented programming. Now let us understand it with an example. Suppose there is a template called mobile which has two characteristics, one brand, another is price. Now we can create multiple other templates from that template, like Samsung with price 20,000, iPhone with price 80,000, and some other phone brand with price 10,000. So here you can see that by only changing the attribute values, we are creating multiple copies of that template. Here the template is the class and the copies we created from the templates are called objects. Now let us see the 4 pillars of OOPs. Encapsulation, which is mainly used for data security. Inheritance, which is used for code reusability. Abstraction, that hides the complexity of the code. And polymorphism, for code reusability. These are the 4 pillars of object-oriented programming. Our object-oriented program consists of class and objects. Now let us see what is a class. A class is a concept which is taken from classification. A class is a classification of certain object and it is a description of the properties and behavior all objects of that classification should possess. All objects of the same class share similar properties, but all the objects are unique in its nature. Let's understand this statement with the example. There is a class named car and there are multiple objects created from that car class. One is green car, one is red car, another is blue car. So you can see that all of these cars share the attribute color, brand, model, and fuel type. All of them are sharing the same characteristic, but the value of the characteristic is different. This car has the value green, this car has the value red, this car has the value blue. So by this change in value, these all objects become unique. So from this we can see that though all these objects are created from same class and share the same characteristics, but they are all unique in their nature. So let us see the definition of object. Object is a real world entity. Whatever we see in the real world that we can describe, like trees, dogs, mobile phones, all of these are called objects. Another example of object, there is a class car and objects, and 3 objects are created from this class: Mercedes, BMW, Audi. These 3 cars are 3 objects which has different attributes. One has color green, another has color blue, another has color orange. So this is the end of this lecture. We will see you in the next lecture. Thank you.